we're going to write the equation of a polynomial in standard form that has the root x equals 1 minus 4i. Since 1 minus 4i is a root, we know that 1 plus 4i also must be a root because they are complex conjugates. This comes from the quadratic formula. When you do plus or minus the square root of b squared minus ac, or when you complete the square and you have to have plus or minus. So anytime you have a complex root, you're going to have two complex roots because they are conjugates of each other. We can write the roots in factored form by writing x minus root 1 times x minus root 2. We can multiply these two trinomials together to get standard form, but that's going to be a lot of work because we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 terms in each of these. So our box would look like this. This is definitely doable, but it's really gross. X times x is x squared, negative x, 4ix, and so on. So you can multiply all of this out and then combine all the like terms. But there's a much easier way, and I'm going to show that to you now. All you have to do is take the root and work backward from completing the square. If you think about this, when you get down to this, that is an answer. So first, we are going to subtract 1 from each side. So we're going to subtract 1 from each side. So we have x minus 1 equals negative 4i. Now, we need to get rid of this I. We know that I squared equals negative 1. So if we can make this I squared, then we can get rid of the I. And you don't want an I in standard form. Standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c, where all of those are real numbers. So in order to do this, what we can do is square both sides. Because anything you do to one side of an equation, you can do to the other. That gives us x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16i squared. Now don't forget, I squared equals negative 1. So this, instead of being positive 16, this is negative 16. To get it in standard form, all we have to do is add 16 over to both sides. And we have x squared minus 2x plus 17. This is a quadratic equation in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c. And that is our final answer.